Today, I'll talk in brief about Spring stereotype annotations, what they are, where they meet each other, and the way they are different. During the initial releases of Spring, we declared all beans in XML file using the tag bean. This was a nightmare in large applications development. The bigger the application is, the harder to deal with XML configurations. Spring team figured this out and came us with a new technique, annotation-based dependency injection. The main idea behind component annotation is that each class annotated by component is a Spring bean, and that means it should be created and maintained by the application context. By figuring that, how does controller annotation differ from component annotation? Let us take a look at its definition. It is annotated by component, so it is a component. It's a special type of component. It is a controller. Any class marked by controller annotation is a Spring bean and must be created and maintained by the application context. And also it is a controller, so it serves a certain goal in Spring. For example, dispatcher servlet will not look for request mapping annotation in any class does not mark it with controller annotation. What I have said about controller annotation is also applicable for service and repository annotations. Each class marked by one of them is a Spring bean, but each of them still serves a specific goal in its layer. In short, all the classes annotated with stereotype annotations are Spring beans and will be auto-detected through class path scanning and will be created and maintained by the application context. But each one of them has a special role in its layer that Spring internally can make use of. That's all for today. Up till next time, live and enjoy. Bye bye.